What up, fam? Welcome to the last installment of those grills that kills. I'm telling you, this has been so much fun for me, looking up, picking out, doing a little bit of research on some grills. It's made me excited. Every time I see a grill now, I want to just hit the button to click it and get it sent to my home and have somebody else put it together for me. However, I have to temper that and get to be excited along with you guys about these grills. If there's anything that you guys are liking, whether it's for Labor Day or beyond, go ahead and click one of my links in the description. Once again, welcome to Toys Food Chronicles. My name is Toy, and this channel is made to help the average home cook prepare stunning meals for their families and guests. We bring people together through the soul and spirit of food. With that being said, we are getting into the wonderful electric and digital smoker era. Yeah, let's go. So the first one up on that is going to be our Masterbuilt Bluetooth digital electric smoker. At the time of this video, it's going to be $395.95. That is nice as far as a price range is concerned. In my opinion, Masterbuilt, I'm seeing a lot of them. They do have a more expensive option. This is the 30-inch. They do have a 40-inch as well for $473.35 at the time of this video as well. You can get expert assembly for a lot of these, by the way. They'll come and they'll assemble it for you, and it is $94 for that with them. And it is, with this one, I wouldn't get somebody to assemble this one. It looks pretty straightforward. It looks like a refrigerator, personally, as I'm looking at it. You know, cool things about it, it has Bluetooth smart technology, allows you to control temperature, lighting, monitor meat temperature, and power your smoker on or off. It has 4 chrome-coated smoking racks, patented side wood chip loading system to add wood chips without opening smoker door and losing heat, built-in meat probe thermometer for perfect results every time, thermostat temperature control for even consistent smoking. I like it. Now we're going over to one of my favorite looking smokers, and to be honest with you, I would get it solely based off of these looks. It is called the Bradley Smoker Electric Smoker. At the time of this video, it's $656.72, and I just like that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. I like it personally. I like the way it looks. I think you can appreciate it as well. Look at that. It's just so awesome. I like it a lot. So anyway, with this Bradley smoker, it has a stainless steel interior. Rack supports keep racks from tipping over when pulled out. Heat control move to smoke generator, which will eliminate moisture damage to switch. Inside dimensions are 19-inch above drip tray. It also has wood chips on the side of it. I do like that. And oh my goodness, it can cook some meat. In some of the pictures, when it's open, it has a rack of ribs in there, a brisket in there, pulled pork in there, and a bunch of sausages. Moving on. Very simple, but looks very, very efficient, is the Old Smokey electric smoker. So I like the idea of the Old Smokey electric smoker. I am a fan. At the time of recording this video, it is only $174.82. It's very simple. Barrel smoker, electric, heats it up, makes it nice. Size is 15.5 inches width and 15.5 inches depth and 29 inches height. The smoker has a flat top, so juices drip right back onto the food. Nice! On top of the heating elements as a chip tray where you would put chips for smoke flavor. This smoker is controlled by a heat thermostat to allow a wide variety of cooking times and styles. It is simple, straight to the point, low cost, something that anybody can pick up and toss in their backyard. This is definitely something that I'll be getting, and I can get like that in the very near future. And so moving right along, we got the CharBroil Deluxe digital electric smoker. At the time of this video, it is $360.85. It once again looks straight to the point. I feel like, to be honest with you, looking at these as we go down the list, They're all very similar. It's insulated double wall construction, advanced control panel with easy red, blue LED display, removable food thermometer, large steel locking latch for smoke tight seal, corded electric, so it's plug and play, remote control not included. Coming to this next one is the Cuisinart. Y'all thought I was gonna get out of here without doing a Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Cause 330 30-inch electric smoker. At the time of recording this video, it is $173.99. It's straight to the point. I mean, the spacious 548 square inch interior means there is plenty of room to smoke a variety of meats and vegetables. The vertical footprint makes a perfect size for patios and barbecue kitchens and things like that. I was looking at that size earlier, so I chose to watch the display video on it, and I saw a lot of people coming over to this couple's house, to this couple's home to eat, and I was like, I don't know if they're gonna be able to cook all that for all these people in this one thing. And oh my goodness, what they were able to put inside that thing, not being as large as I think I want stuff to be, it is amazing. They had stand-up beer can chicken, sausages, and all this kind of stuff in there. It was crazy. Now, this is really cool. It has a 3-year limited warranty. It comes with, a lot of them said 1-year warranties. This has a 3-year warranty. I'm a fan of the 3-year warranty, big fan. So that's really cool for $173.99 at this time that we're recording this video. Now, that is how we will end this off with all of the electric grills. It has been a great time going over all these grills. If you see something you like, get it. Once again, link in the description. If you purchase some, I am an affiliate. It does go to support the channel. If you like the content that we are producing here at Toys Food Chronicles, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share, leave a comment on this particular video. Leave a comment on which one of these you're thinking about getting, what it is you like about that particular one, and what you're gonna do with it. What are you planning to barbecue or smoke or cook on your electric grill? And so if you want to watch this playlist, it's right over here somewhere. Watch the playlist. Once again, you guys are awesome. Thank you for taking time to watch this. Don't love to be loved, love to love. I'm at the beach.